Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Mashup Travels, and if you are new, my name is Rifat and I do take you to the Islamic historical cities around the world. And today, as you know, I am in Gaziantep and I took to the Imam Museum last time and showed you how our Turkish Imam works. And also I did take you to the Kitchen Museum, showing you the traditional Turkish kitchens and households, how they operate. Today I will be taking you to two traditional bazaars. One is the covered bazaar of Gaziantep and the other is the Copper Bazar. And let's see what's interesting about these bazaars. Who recognize these? They're tiffins. Take two. Look at them puppets. Puppet lar. Pinocchio. Well, I don't need a Pinocchio. I got two Pinocchios already. Ooh. Anna, look at the nice jewelry. Benna? I like these. Look at them.
Don't know why.
ठीक है.
Maybe it'd be better or maybe there's probably a setting in your phone.
These are nice.
Soğuk su isteyen,
Teşekkür.
soğuk su geldi, soğuk su isteyen.
Jav, should I be getting a fridge magnet of Gaziantep?
Gaziantep, we get a fridge magnet of every other place that we went to.
I know, I forgot. Look at them, they're for little kid babies.
Yeah, we need to get some cars for Ullah.
Car, I want a car. A baklava. Ya piste wala. मुझे Hoş bulduk. Look at that. Look at that stone. Abi ne kadar?
Bir tanesi abla 7.
Okay. 6.
3 tanesi. Yani 3, 1, 2, 3 adet 20 TL.
Okay. 3 क्या करने हैं मैंने नहीं?
You don't need like 5, just get one.
No, I only need one.
Which one are you looking at?
I think I should get the baklava one because that's what is popular for baklava
There's
or
also the Old City ones.
baklava or this. This one. You will get all sorts of souvenirs here. Soaps. Again, these are nice. No, don't want any more. I like these. Copper cups and mugs. Oh, they're cute. Cute little things. Oh, wooden toys.
Pakistan? Okay, good.
Pakistan.
Okay. Ben değil dedim. Ben değil dedim. Türkçe biliyor musun?
I don't understand Turkish. Sorry,
okay.
English only.
Güzel. Game puzzle.
Yeah, game puzzles. Yeah.
India, Indonesia, Thailand.
Ah. Mm. I like that. Ludo.
Kızma birader.
Ludo, yes. We call it Ludo. You have
Sudoku.
Oh, Sudoku. Oh. Gazal. Tashukra. Oh, jewelry made out of copper. Oh, these are nice. Gaziantep. MashaAllah. Oh, that is just pistachio. Turkish Linda.
What the heck is that?
Oh, do you know this? This is pistachio, grinded pistachio pure.
Okay, and what do you do with it?
You use it in different things or you just eat it like that.
Yeah.
Kinna kuch. I likha shorba like, I don't know what this is. Is it masala for the shorbas?
15 milyon şu Suriye'de sat. Bak ben
Oh,
Hoş geldiniz.
zafran.
Evet, safran.
Good.
Which magnet did you get?
I just got the baklava one.
There was like a triangle baklava one, I think.
I don't know. I just got one. आप तो चल पड़े थे. खुश बुल्दुक. Ne kadar? 30. ਇੰਨੀ ਤੁਰਕਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ. अब वो स्टोन्स देखे. $30. Any? All?
25.
25. Why is this 30? लेने?
I like the green one.
हर कलर का ले लो पर पहनने नहीं है ना फिर है
No,
ना
I want, yeah, no, just get green and purple.
ग्रीन एंड पर्पल
Or green and grey or something. Yeah, that I think. Yeah.
टूट भी जाने हैं हमें.
No, get those two.
60. Haven for my mom. My mom loves gardening, you know. इस चीज़ के बीज चाहिए, उस चीज़ के बीज चाहिए. Get me this, get me that. Let me just check if I can get her something. Nah. बैंगन के बीज लूँ. आबे. ये लेना. गंदी सी लग रही है. वो मैं क्या बब्बा टैक्सी च बह गया. आबे आबे. Oh.
Burada mısın?
Oh my god, they got so much. Shaljan. Merhaba. Ne kadar?
Patlıcan. Patlıcan.
There's a copper bazaar here, guys. A very popular copper bazaar in Gaziantep. Copper stuff you find in Istanbul is said to be not original, but not original copper. But these are original copper makers. They're making stuff out of copper here. YouTube. This is beautiful, Gazal.
Thank you.
This is a copper shop, guys, where actually it's being made. Some shops are just selling them, the others are like handcraft. Craftsmen are actually making these things like I showed you outside. What about this one? Which one good? That good or this good?
Bu.
This good. This in that size?
Bu 250. Bu
صغير. That size.
bundan.
This one in that.
Şu var.
Yo?
Bir dakika.
There. Like this. Gaziantep.
Buraya name yazılır sizin.
Ah, you can put name. Oh,
Okay.
nice. And how much is this one?
80 lira.
Can you do 50?
80.
50.
80.
I already had a Mostar one. I have a Mostar with that. Which? This or that? Which good?
Bu 170.
This one, but give good price. Yeah.
Bu.
Yes. No, not 150? Should I get the shakardan or not? 120 Turkish lira. I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna get that 460 Turkish lira. Yeah. Okay. I bought some copper pots, a pot for the Turkish coffee, and a shakar pot.
Buyurun efendim. उदो सिस्टम बोलते हैं ना मैं टकना ला नीचे मिला Look at this little line, Faris. उठा के दिखाओ मुझे. Three different things. Who recognize these? They're tiffins to take to wherever. Jewelry.
Why are you recording this? You were actually a whole
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan coming soon.